Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. Today I want to do a quick video to talk about a cool car that my friend has for sale.
We're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies.
It's a real deal 54 Corvette. It has, all the tags with it, VIN, obviously title. So a good clean Pennsylvania title, which is important to have in a car. I just wanted to talk about the body real quick just because I looked it over and it does need a little bit of work. It had some body work done on it in the past because it is a 60-year-old car. But I mean, it's definitely very workable. If you wanted to restore it, it's very easy to bring it back up to that level. Or if you want to resto mod it, put a different chassis under it and that kind of stuff, it's a great candidate for that. Honestly, if somebody wanted to body work it a little bit, it would probably take less than a week to get that car super straight, to fix any little fiberglass defects in it, and it'd be a really nice car. The frame underneath is real solid. I didn't see any problems with it other than the battery tray, just from a battery eating away at it. But other than that, it looks very solid. The frame is very complete. It's got a lot of the trim and stuff with it too, which is important, seats, that kind of stuff. So it's a good car to build. Honestly, if someone was wanted to put a small block Chevy in it, a 4-speed, and you can make a little hot rod and you can have fun with it. So it's a really cool car. One thing that's neat about it is one of the last 54 Corvettes that was made. It's like within the last 5 or 10 of the serial numbers for 54, so it was almost a 55. So it's a pretty neat car. So it was close, to having a small block. So if you're interested in the car, you can leave a comment below or shoot me an email at my email address, midyearmitch@gmail.com. So I'll keep an eye on that to see if, any emails are coming in. But like I said, it's a good car. It's a good foundation to build off of. The car looks like it was originally either red on red or blue on red. So it's a pretty neat car. Either way, it was a fairly rare color combination. So that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later because I have a lot more to do.